Hey guys, excited! Mast has a printer and some paper for us to check out today. It's on dragonhawkofficial.com, and don't forget there's a code FLOATY. Use our link in the description below. Let's check out this Mast printer. I'm super excited. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. Okay, another thermal printer to check out. Let's see what Mast has in the box. A used thermal transfer paper. And printer with the cork. Isn't that nice? They gave us this bag here. Mast always make sure that their stuff looks cool. So here's the printer. It's a nice pearlescent kind of antique looking color. Very nice actually. This is how big it is. It's about a foot long. I'm gonna get this. Do we have to plug it in? I don't know. Looks like it might be chargeable. Timeout. All right, we're gonna turn this on.
Welcome to use Mast printer.
All right, we've got the app all loaded up on the iPad, which I love that it can go on the iPad. And we have the app which is called Tattoo Printer. I'm going to show you the icon for it right here. Okay. So here we are in the app. We're going to connect the device. Looks like it sees something here.
Bluetooth connected.
Oh, there you go. That was easy. So right over here at the bottom, we have this icon. This is where you're going to find access to your photo library. So there's a few photos I have recently from Dolly and Midjourney. There we go. Can do this one. So here we are in the edit page. It has some options. You can resize. You can do some divisions so you have different pages. All right, let's just go with regular, and the printer is going to be up here. Probably should put the paper in the machine. All right, so we are opening up the paper that Mast also sent for us. Okay, it's packaged very well. Good job. Let's get a piece out of here. It's actually kind of tight. I'm just gonna pull them out. So we do want the yellow side in, but we'll remove that center portion. Goes over the top here. And there's a little yellow kind of tab there. Wow, hey. I'm just gonna use that tab. Let's get the feeder going. Boom. It's actually pretty easy to get that lined up. Okay, going back to the app now. Here we are. Printer button right at the top right corner. Now we have some options here. We have density, matte, light, moderate, normal, strong. Lots of options there. Okay, let's just go with moderate. Keep it right in the middle. And let's see how this looks. Pretty quick too. That's awesome. very nice, quick, efficient. The fact that this is exposed does make it easier to deal with jams and things like that, I'm assuming. It also can make it, you know, a little dangerous for your finger. Don't get your finger sucked in there. They've got that top there, obviously, for things for the dumb people like me. All right, we're in the moderate amount of ink control there. As you can see, a little dark, so not the right one for us. That's okay, it's your first try. Maybe go to light for the next one. Perfect. All right, we're just gonna try this light setting, see if it's better for this particular print. All right, it's definitely lighter this time, and those dots are just probably not rendering well. But it's definitely clumping together kind of the smaller details. I honestly don't feel like it should be doing this. I think my other printers could get this right. Let's try, I guess, this matte setting since it is the bottom of the density thing. Tear off the bottom paper to heat the ribbon for better results. Oh, tear off the bottom paper. That's what it says there when you press the matte one. All right, we're gonna try around without the center and without this yellow bit, which I'm assuming is the bottom. All right, and put it in the same way. We're on the matte setting and I'm pressing print. Holy crap. That's definitely a faster pass. Faster? My brain was like, what? That's definitely a faster pass. And it's definitely light, maybe even too light. So it seems like if you tear off the yellow, you might get a better result in those other settings too. That's what I'm thinking. Let's try one more time. Since they gave us all this wonderful paint. Going back to the light setting, we have the yellow paper off. So it slowed the roll down. That last matte setting seemed real fast. It definitely looks better already, but no, it's about the same. Why is it talking so much? Shush. Okay guys, let's try some spirit paper and see what that looks like. All right, I'm on the light setting. And the back part, the yellow side is out, and we're going to try this on spirit paper. So let's give it a shot.
Printing is complete. Please remove the paper.
Okay, astronomically different, no pun intended. Yeah, so this is definitely better on spirit paper. Just taking a look at our original image, there are some pretty dense areas in that multi-circular area there that kind of makes sense that it's starting to blend together there if that part of the design is too small. This is the S8 paper. It is a red paper. Same technique here. I am going to try that matte setting. I'm curious about that with the better paper. S8 and spirit paper are pretty much identical. They're just different colors. Slightly different sizes too. Yeah, that, whoa. So nothing there. It's such a big jump between light and matte. I don't even know why that matte setting's there. I'm sure there's a reason for it. Light is obviously going to be the closest that you can get to what you want, and then you can, I guess, if you wanted to try to get it lighter, don't remove the backing. We're going to leave the backing on the spirit paper. We have taken out the center, of course. All right. So we are on the light setting. We have the backing on. The backing should absorb some of the heat, and therefore, since it's a thermal printer, it won't be as dark. That is how my brain is solving this problem. So I have it in the light setting, which is slower as well. The matte setting was way too fast. So let's try that. So light setting, backing on. Let's see what happens.
Printing is complete. Please remove the paper.
Okay, so that's probably the best print. Let's take a look. Oh, goodness. Here was our best print before. So you can see a little bit more of the concentric circles in this left one. I also feel like I can see the dots a little bit better around the rim of the planet there, planet Jupiter. I feel like this is a decent stencil and I could probably work with it. Since I didn't design this as a tattoo quite yet, I would probably go into it and fix some things that my stencil maker just can't get, and there are some very good reasons for that. Typically, if it's not coming across in the stencil, it's just too small. So you want to rework your stencil a bit so that you're not getting too tiny. There is a limit to these things. So I think these are doing great. I think that this was a good test to see like what it really could accomplish with a very dense picture. Actually has a lot of thick lining and black in it. So I actually think it held up really well. I would recommend using this printer with spirit paper, as it seems to be still the best paper on the market. There also is the S8 paper, which is a red paper, costs a little more, but if you like red, that is the way to go. They also do sell green paper made by Spirit as well. All these links will be below. Please use them. We appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching this. I hope this was helpful. Please smash that like button and subscribe.
Thank you. Bye.